The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has some incredible upgrades that we weren't expecting to see. This is without a doubt their best phone yet. According to leakster Ahmed, who has been in the spotlight when it comes to Samsung S23 series leaks coming up with a new leak. According to his info, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be having the same 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which is coming with a high refresh rate of 120 Hz and it can go low as 1 Hz, while the S23 Plus having a 6.6-inch screen size with Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. But instead of having 1 Hz, it can reach as low as 48 Hz refresh rate and go up to 120 Hz. And finally we have the S23, which has 6.1-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display resolution with same 48 to 120 Hz refresh rate. We've got another tweet from Ice Universe telling us that the camera ring on the S23 Ultra is wide, and he also shows us exactly what it's going to look like. He's also tweeted to say that the Galaxy S23 Ultra's night camera is really night vision. Now it doesn't literally mean it's going to have night vision, but he's saying that it's going to be a big improvement in night photography, and this is always good news. The tipster also claimed that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature a relatively flattered display compared to its predecessor. This change should improve the S Pen experience while writing and drawing on this screen. All Galaxy S23 models will run Android 13 operating system based on One UI 5.1 out of the box. This newer version of the software could bring some more lock screens customization options. The Galaxy S23 lineup will be featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Pro processor, a 12-megapixel selfie camera stereo speaker. The base S23 and 22 Plus will be having a 50-megapixel of a primary camera, 12-megapixel of ultra-wide and a 10-megapixel 3x zoom camera, which is similar to their previous generation S22 series, and the S23 Ultra will be having a 200-megapixel primary sensor, with a 12-megapixel of ultra-wide camera and two 10-megapixel telephoto cameras with 3x zoom and 10x zoom. They are also rumored to feature an 8K 30 frame per second video recording from the rear camera. Now Samsung upcoming high-end phones reportedly featuring an improved still images and video qualities, especially in the low light conditions. So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.